This is TFNN, the Tiger Financial News Network. TFNN, Headline News Update.
Good Friday morning, everybody. I'm Tommy O'Brien, coming to you live from TFNN, 9 a.m. Eastern Time, 30 minutes to go until the start of trading, and we have markets in positive territory to kick things off right now, folks. You're looking at an S&P positive by 12 points, 43.23. Remarkable price action across the board. We got the jobs number this morning, strong number. Why don't we jump over the headline as we kick things off? 850,000 jobs added in June. Market was looking for about 706,000. Unemployment rate rising to 5.9% from the 5.6% estimate, even with those numbers, as people come back to the employment market. Wages up 0.3% for the month, 3.6% for the year over year, both in line with expectations. That number out at 8:30, and the market's liking that number, folks. We got the S&P up 12 points. We were sitting at 43.14, about a 10-point pop on the jobs number. We got bond notes pulling back. We got a yield right now. Let's jump over to the 10-year before we go through the markets, because this, of course, contributing. There's an acceleration for you. We got higher price and lower yield. We got a yield right now of 1.434%. We'll call it 1.43%. Remember when we were on our way to almost 2%? To pull up the action we've had, you're talking about quite a pullback here, and then a pop. We were down to 130.25 back on April 5th. We're now almost 2 points above that level. The highs we had early on June, you're talking about 133.04. Right now, yield 1.43%. We get a pullback in the yield. We get higher prices on that acceleration, and that has tech stocks trading higher. 14,639. We got the NASDAQ 100 up more than 0.6%. We get the Dow up 0.2%. We get the Russell up 0.3%, trading at 23.33. We got crude catching a bid. We have an OPEC meeting. We have the UAE, United Arab Emirates, maybe holding up a deal. We have crude up to 76.22 yesterday. They're talking again this morning. Crude's at 75.27, flat on the session. Gold catching a bid, up $18 at $17.94. We got a lot of green across the board. Silver's up 47 cents, 26.56. And as I mentioned, notes and bonds, higher price, lower yield. The 10-year's up 14 ticks. The 30-year is up 25 ticks. And we'll jump over to the volatility index this morning. How about 14? Could we get a 13 handle going into July 4th? It's very possible. Look at that action, 14.26. What's going to get in the way of the market now? We'll see. Might be a melt up, might be a melt sideways right into the July 4th weekend. Stay tuned, folks. We got live programming, though, all day at TFNN before that July 4th holiday. We get the market